Ever heard of a liger, a lion-tiger mix that grows bigger than both parents? Or a tigon, the lesser-known sibling with some wild traits of its own? Welcome to the strange and fascinating world of animal crossbreeding, where genetics, biology, and sometimes human curiosity collide. Crossbreeding or hybridization happens when two animals of different species or subspecies mate and produce offspring. Most hybrids only occur between closely related species like lions and tigers, or horses and donkeys. Sometimes it happens naturally in the wild. Other times it's encouraged by humans, often for scientific, agricultural, or novelty reasons. So let's start with the stars of hybrid lore. A liger is actually a combination of a male lion and a female tiger, while a tigon is a combination of a male tiger and a female lion. Ligers are, well, massive. They're the largest cats in the world and can sometimes reach over 900 pounds. Usually, they inherit the lion's size and the tiger's stripes, but they don't occur naturally, since lions and tigers live on different continents. Tigons, on the other hand, are smaller and, a bit more tiger-like in their behavior. They're also much rarer, often because male tigons are sterile and tend to have more health issues. Genetically, hybrids are a mix of the parent species' DNA, but this doesn't always work cleanly. For instance, ligers may grow larger due to genomic imprinting. For example, genes that escape growth suppression from tiger mothers. Many hybrids are sterile, like mules, because their chromosomes don't match up correctly during reproduction. That's why ligers and tigons can't usually reproduce, although, rare exceptions exist. So here are a few more fascinating crosses. For example, a mule is a cross between a horse and a donkey, super strong but, sterile. Then there's the zonkey, which is a zebra mixed with a donkey. Ever heard of a wholphin? That's a blend of a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin. There's also the beefalo, which is a combination of a buffalo and a domestic cow. And believe it or not, there's even the occasional hybrid bear, like when a grizzly and a polar bear mix. These hybrids really show us that evolution and reproduction aren't always as strict as we might think, especially when species are genetically close. It's kind of amazing, honestly. But not all crossbreeding is good science. Critics argue that hybrids often suffer from health issues, infertility, or just poor quality of life, especially when they're bred for novelty or kept in captivity. And since they don't occur naturally, there's debate about whether we should create hybrids at all. But hybrids can also help researchers study genetics, evolution, and conservation, especially in controlled environments. Animal crossbreeding is a complex, controversial, and captivating topic. From ligers to mules, nature and science continue to push the boundaries of biology. Want more animal science, genetics, and biology that bites? Subscribe to Science World Explored and join us on more wild journeys through the natural world.